In this video we will look at where to place the perfect stop level. And not only will we open a position because of the Japanese hammer formation. As you can see, we are on the USD JPY currency pair. On a daily chart. We can see we have a very good hammer formation. Immediately after the closing of the daily candle we can open a buy position. In short, for a hammer formation, we have a good formation when we have a downtrend, and then a green candle with a small body and a large tail. After closing the hammer candle we can find a buy position. The best place to put the stop level is a few pips below the tail. In this way, we put the stop level in the best place and limit a possible loss. We should always insure ourselves. Of course, a few days later we have moved our stop to the plus side, thus guaranteeing a certain profit. And a few days later we see how the price hit our take profit. Subscribe to the channel. Soon we will upload the full video, and you will see several tips in the trade. Also hit a like and share the video with friends if it helped you.